Sky and candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to go ahead and let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Samsbeauty. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you guys want all the details and the specs on this unit and what I think, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Sensational. It's from their Sheer Muse collection. I have it in the style LaShawn in the color Neon Royal Blue, and as you guys can see, they have a lot of colors available. But anyways, moving on to this one, it does have like a nice light yaki but soft texture. It is average head friendly, and it does fit a little bit snug on larger size head. It does come with a comb and two combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, as well as baby hairs and a lace part. Now here's how it looks directly onto my head, which is not bad. And here's how it falls on me. It does fall at about maybe 24 to 26 inches. I am 5'2", and I do have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for a reference as to how it would fall on you. And please excuse my voice and how I'm talking. It's because I have stitches in my gums, so please excuse that. But anyways, this unit does have minimal shedding and tangling, which really impressed me, because usually with a synthetic longer unit, it does have a lot of shedding and tangling, but that was not the case with this one, and the texture is super soft. And now I'm going to go in and make this unit work for me, and of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so first of all, I am so here for this color. Like, this color is absolutely gorgeous. I did also want to let you guys know that they have tons of color. Here is the color palette that they have here, and it is quite, like, you have options, girl. Like, oh my gosh, like, I want to try so many. I want to try Neon Fire and Neon Lime, Neon Baby Purple. There's just so many on here I want to try. So make sure you guys definitely check the link below. They have a lot of colors available. So yeah. So anyways, now that we've established that I absolutely love this color, let's go ahead and talk about the texture. The texture of this hair is very nice. One thing that I was really impressed with is that this unit does have minimal shedding and tangling. That does not mean that it doesn't have any, but it does. It's very minimal, and I was very surprised, because usually with a color unit you get some tangling as well as shedding a lot more than I experienced with this unit, and I really do like that, and I was very impressed by that. I'm also impressed by the texture of this hair. It's like a very light yaki texture, and at the same time it is soft. So I love how natural looking it is. I know my ring light might be making it appear shiny, but it does just have a natural healthy luster to it in person. So yeah, I really do like it. I love the texture. I also really like the length. The length on me is maybe like 24 to 26 inches. Keep in mind that I am 5'2", and I do have a shorter neck, as you guys can see, so that's why it falls like that on me. So you guys can kind of use my height reference as to how it would probably fall on you, as well as my neck length. Overall, I am very impressed with this unit. I do like the parting as well. All I had to do was go in and add powder. I feel like they could have opened it up just a little bit more, and as you guys can see, I did go ahead and pluck a little bit right there to make it look a little bit more natural. However, I feel like it's still workable. I feel like it's super beginner friendly, and that is always something that I look for in a colored unit, because some people want to just experiment with color, or they may be having a special event and they don't need to be, like, you know, like struggling with the wig. Like, you just want to put it on and go, and I feel like this is definitely one of those wigs that you can put on and go, and I really am impressed with that. Like, you could just put your powder and you are good to go. So I don't really have any cons with this unit. I am very impressed by this unit, as I told you guys before. For this to be such an affordable unit as well as a fiber unit, I feel like it's very impressive as far as the shedding and the tangling, as well as the texture and the cap construction. I would definitely recommend this unit. I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And remember, this unit comes in multiple colors, so definitely go ahead and check that out as well. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.